Welcome to the SolidCAM University channel. In this video, we'll continue our series on the tool axis control options inside of the simultaneous 5-axis milling toolpath. This video will cover tilted relative to contact points. So in this option, what you're going to use is the contact point to control the angle of the tool. Basically, it's going to be the contact tangent point between the tool and the surface you select in the geometry section. By default, it will be at 0 degrees, which means that it will have a tool path that basically looks like it's perpendicular to the surface. And as it goes along, it maintains that perpendicularity, as you can see in the various views we have on the part here. If we come over here to the lag angle, lag refers to the angle the tool takes in the direction of cutting. So in this case, if I set this to 45, what we'll see is it leans into the cut. Again, if we go into simulation, you can see from the lower left corner there in the view, it's leaning into the cut. If we set that to -45, as in 45 degrees in the other direction, you can see from the wireframe, it's leaning away from the cut, away from the cutting direction. Now, let's say we put that to 45, and now that we have a cutting direction, we have a lag in a certain direction, we can tell it what angle we'd like to take to tilt in the cutting direction. So in this case, I'll put 45 as well. So it's leaning into the cut, but it's also doing a 45 degree from that surface normal. So again, let's take a look at that in the wireframe. In the lower left corner, we can see that it's taking that 45 degree lean into the cut. And in the upper views, we can see that it's 45 degrees upwards as well. So this toolpath option could be useful depending on if you don't want to control it by the surface normal. You don't want to control it by one of the 3 axes, X, Y, or Z. You want to control it by just the contact point. This could be useful if the part you're doing 5-axis machining on it changes direction very often, and it doesn't have a definable surface normal, maybe because it's a badly translated surface. This one is a much more sophisticated, much more complex selection of angles based off of nothing more than just the contact point. Any questions of this or anything else from SolidCAM, just give us a call at 1-866-975-1115, extension 2. You can send us your parts or your questions via the ticket system at solidcamsupport.com. And stay tuned for the rest of the videos on this YouTube channel and in this overall 5-axis series. Thanks for watching.